Shop the Divine collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Linda here, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can cornrow your hair. You want to start by dividing your hair into two sections. From the beginning part, you saw how I used my nose as a trail to accurately get the middle of my hair in my head in front, but unfortunately it seems like I didn't get the middle correctly at the back, but we're gonna work with it. Because the back of my hair is a bit scanty, I just cut out that back part and I plaited it, and I did the same thing on the other side. Unfortunately, the video of the part where I was filming this one side of the hair wasn't quite clear, so I decided to cut it out and just show the part that is very clear. So I'm going to show you how to cornrow your hair right now. How I calculated that I'm going to plait the hair is I'm going to do 5 plaits, 5 weavings on both sides of the head. I already did 5 on one side. I'm going to do the other 5 on this side right now. So I'm just trying to cut out a small section of the hair, which I'm going to do a straight part on, and I'm combing the hair. I already have conditioner on the hair to soften it. Then I'm putting this hair growth oil on my roots before I start to plait my hair. I also sort of greased my hand a bit to allow me float easily while I'm plaiting the hair. So look at the hand movement. It's the hand movement that is very important. You're cutting the hair into 3 sections. You start with one section, you move into the second section, and you pick the third section, and you keep on adding to those sections while you move back. And take note, you're moving very slowly so that you don't have your weaving being loose. When you move slowly, the weaving is tight and is strong. So pick one, pick the other, then pick the third one. Just watch the hand movement. 1, 2, 3. That's the third one. 1, 2, 3. So we are interchanging each of those 3 loops, and while we are interchanging the loops, we are adding small sections of the hair while we move backwards. I added the growth oil to help add moisture to the hair, to soften it up a bit, because my hair is natural. It's very strong and difficult to manage, so adding that oil is just going to make the process a lot more easier. So keep on plaiting it till you get towards the middle part of the hair, and you go all the way towards the back of the hair. If you notice from the back of the hair, because I wasn't seeing my back, I don't have a mirror that would help me look at the back of my head. So unfortunately, the parting of the back of the hair wasn't quite smooth, but I don't expect you to be perfect. I myself am not perfect because I couldn't even see the back of my head. I was just assuming that it was going to be straight, but unfortunately it wasn't straight. The key thing is getting your hairs down in cornrows. It doesn't have to be perfect. The reason why I cornrow my hair is because I want to wear a wig. I want to believe that you also want to wear a wig when you're cornrowing your hair. If I was to cornrow someone else's hair, the lines are going to be perfect and neat, but because I can't see the back of my head, that's the reason why I have it looking like this. But I'm going to work with it as it is. So once you get to the end of the hair and there's no more hair to add into the sections, what you need to do is just hold it and plait it till you get to the tip of the hair. And when I start getting towards the tip of the hair, I like to go back to that growth oil and add some moisture to the hair, comb it out, and just keep on plaiting it till I get to the very tip of the hair. And the tip, I typically just coil it around and leave it. Okay guys, so for my estimation, I'm doing 5 plaits. I already did 1, so I have 4 left. So this is the second one I'm about to start right now. I used that tail comb to create the pattern on the hair. So next, what I'm going to do is just tie up that part that is free, that big section, tie it up. Then I'll start to comb that small section out. Then I use this Eco Styler gel to lay the short hairs on my hair down, and I apply the growth oil on the parts. Then it's time to start plaiting the hair again. So you can see how I picked one small section and I took the middle part and looped it, and took the other section that was on the right side and moved it towards the left. Look at the hand movement. Just look at the hand movement. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. While you pick one, you shift it to one side and take. Just look at the hand movement. Yes. And while I'm moving back, I'm adding hairs to it, and I'm moving slowly and closely so that the weaving is going to be tight. So just keep on moving backwards, and while you're moving and looping the hair, you're adding small sections of the hair to it. I didn't part the hair well at the back, so I had to go back into the big section to get some hairs that I'm going to plait, using plaiting that weaving back. So keep looping backwards. You have 3 sections of hair. You're adding more hairs that are free into it so that you're able to extend the weaving down towards the end of the hair. Yeah, that's how to do it. I hope you finally got it. If you need to watch this video over and over again until you finally get it, please do. It's an easy process. I learned how to make plait weaving on my own. I had a friend in school while I was in secondary school that was stranded on a Sunday afternoon. She didn't have someone to make her hair for her, and I'd never made hair for anybody before. Because I saw her need, that was what led me to try to plait her hair for her, and I was able to figure it out without watching. Then there was nothing like YouTube for you to watch and see how it's done. I was able to figure it out. By you watching me, I believe that you should be able to learn how to do it for yourself. I know it's easier to do it for somebody else, but from the way I'm parting my hair, holding the loose section away, and just showing you how I'm doing it, I believe that by just watching this video, God is going to help you learn how to cornrow your hair. So let's do this third plait together. So holding that one section, looping the other section, I'm moving that one now to the middle part, and I just keep on pleating it, and I keep on going. So look at the movement of the hair. The one that was in the middle suddenly becomes the one on the left. The one on the right suddenly becomes the one on the left. The one on the middle turns. Like, it's just a continuous movement of interweaving the hairs together. And if you feel like at any point the hair is a bit rough, you can comb it out and keep on plaiting it, because you don't want to plait hair that is rough. You want to make sure that what you're plaiting is smooth. And if you feel like the hair is too dry, reach out for any hair cream you have, or for me, I'm using this hair growth oil. Just reapply it on the hair and keep on weaving. You don't want the situation whereby your fingers are dry when you're plaiting hair, because depending on the texture of the hair, you might feel like it's hurting you. So just keep your hands greased and keep on plaiting till you get to the tip of the hair. And when I get to the tip of the hair, I typically do like a rolling motion. Like, I just sort of roll the hair a bit so that it has like a form of a coil to it. Yeah, that's what I do. I just coil it up a bit and I leave it. So at this point now, we have just 2 plaits left to complete this cornrow. Isn't this a miracle? Guys, as much as you're seeing this video being just 11 minutes long, the truth is it's going to take you at least 1 hour to do your cornrow. It could be shorter depending on how fast you are, but it took me 1 hour plus to do this, probably because I was also filming the process. I needed to ensure that the camera was capturing me correctly. So just be patient. At some point your hands are going to pain you, but just keep on doing it. Or maybe what you can do is you can plait the hair in bigger sections so you can finish it faster. So instead of doing 10 plaits, you can do 8 cornrows, 4 on one side, 4 on the other side, so you could finish faster. Or you could do 3 on one side and 3 on the other side to make it 6. That's another option for you. You can see from the entire video that it's basically a repetitive process. The key thing is you just getting the technique right and cutting the hair into a small section. Then you start to plait the hair. once you get the hand movement correctly, once you figure out how to cut the hair into 3 sections and add small sections into the 3 sections while you move the 3 sections in a plate backwards, you know how to make hair. It's really that easy. I believe you will do it and you will get it right after you finished watching this video. If you watch this video the first time and it seemed like you didn't get it right, watch it again. You would finally get it right. Just be patient. Watch the hand movement. Loop, take it back. Loop, take it back. Loop, take it back. Yeah, and once you get to the end, you just plait the hair. No longer adding anything to it again. All you need to do is just plait it till you get to the tip of the hair. Yeah, and you know you're done. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope this video you found it helpful and you were able to learn from it. Please make sure you share this video with your friend who is also going to learn from it, your sister, your brother, anyone who you feel needs to watch this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that the video reaches other people, and please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment on any video you want to see on my channel and I'll be glad to share. So this is the growth oil I used for my hair. I bought it from my local markets. All the products that were used in it are organic. They said it has over 120 natural herbs. Is it natural herbs? They say made with over 20 organic herbs and oil. So it promises fuller, stronger, shiny, healthier hair and beds. You can even use it for your bed oil. If you want to know the details of this product, I'm going to link it in the comment section. Just ask and I would link it for you guys. So after gelling the front of my hair, I just tied it down for a few seconds and I took it off. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.